welcome back. I'm Lisa, and this is Lisa's Home Creations. I hope you all had a very happy Easter. In today's video, I'm going to clean underneath my kitchen sink where I keep all my cleaning products. I'm going to try to organize it, declutter it, so let's get started. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves.